Hi everyone, welcome to today's MA, how to launch your AI asset, a step-by-step demo. And today we are excited to have Masa, co-founder of TermX here. Hi Masa.
Hi.
And we have Troy, co-founder of Revox. Hi Troy.
Hi everyone.
And last we have John, BD head of MyShare. Hi John.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so for today's agenda, each team will demo you on how to launch your AI asset using their platform. And before we dive in, BNB Chain has launched the AI agent competition, and this is open to all AI agents. So sign up right now and join the race. Okay, then let's begin with our first speaker, Masa from TermX.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Masa, and I come from TermX. I'm co-founder of TermX, and I'm excited to introduce our platform TermX, an AI-driven Web3 OS for you today. And first, I will have a quick review of our deck, and let me show you some key abilities via some videos. Yeah. First, why we do TermX is because today's layer 1s, layer 2s protocols are so massive for the users, and it may overwhelm users to navigate anything they want in Web3. So we aim to simplify this by becoming the unified Web3 user portal here. So that's why we do a Web3 OS. We are constructing a unified portal. In Web2, iOS and Android have a portal, so they'll have a lot of Web2 applications in their app store. So in Web3, we also need such an OS here. So we just propose such OS solution to leverage AI to transform Web3 operations here. We just released our protocol named the DeFi protocol here, and it's the first trustworthy AI-driven Web3 execution here. So what's our advantages are? Firstly, we are a trustworthy protocol. Like we just do some program reasoning technology, security, and the consistency analytics technology combining with the large execution model here. So we just provide the users with trustworthy AI agents for any Web3 operations here. So let me skip these tech things. So what we can provide is everything in DeFi, like lending, staking, restaking, or add or remove liquidity here. So our product is live now on TermX.ai, and we have a multi-chain wallet integration, and we can have a zero code IDE for the users to create any agents here, and I will introduce it later. And if you are just a fresh user to our platform, we will help you to create such a multi-chain wallet for you. And we have a lot of chat-to-agent widgets here. Like we can have the data source from the on-chain source like Binance, like DEX Screener, and off-chain sources like Twitter, Discord, and any related APIs. And we also have a function screen here, like we can integrate any Web3 protocols here. We have integrated a lot of protocols officially, but we are also offering an SDK for the users for the developers to use our technology to connect their DeFi protocols into AI. Like our protocols can help you guys to use AI to navigate to the protocols and to execute it. So here is a zero code IDE, and we also can integrate some degenerated trading here. Like we have an AI-powered alpha seeking function here. Yeah, and every agent you create here, you can publish it in our Agentverse, and we are setting our tokenomics to encourage such contributions. And yeah, so Tiana, maybe you can start with my video here. Yeah, first, if you want, here is our zero code ID here. If you just choose a network, it's Binance Chain, and clean the type the smart contract address here. So wait a minute, our AI will parse these smart contracts, and finally you can see the functions here, like other liquidity here. Actually, this contract is the contract of Uniswap v4. So let me, you can just type the agent name here, is add the liquidity, and you can just describe it in our description box, like here is adding liquidity to Uniswap. So it's very simple. So you can just save your agents, your created on agents here, and next time you talk with AI, you said, I want to add liquidity to Uniswap. Just wait a minute. AI will help you to navigate to this agent you just created. Like this agent will help you to add liquidity, and you can see we can navigate users to this contract, and give the users opportunity to type their parameters. If you just if you just have configured everything, all you need to do is to click run here, and we can help you to execute everything. Yeah. Maybe Tiana, you can change to the next demo. We also offering some condition triggers, like you can use AI to predict the token price tomorrow, and you can set a condition branch, like if the Binance, if you are just a crypto trading assistant, you are monitoring the marketing. If the BNB price higher than $700, you will stake it, or you swap it. So you can just save this trading strategy in a new AI agent. And next time, if you just talk to AI, you talk to AI if the price of BNB, yeah, you just tell AI, I want to sell BNB. Yeah, if the price is higher, is greater than 700. Like 700 is a gap here. Yeah. Sorry, the last the last one. Let's continue with this demo. Yeah, and you just type I want to sold it or swap it, sell it if price is less than 700. Yeah, and AI can recognize what you do, and you just set a trading strategy in our in a demo. So AI will extract what you need. Like 700 is a key parameters here. So next, you can see this agent, our AI can respond. This agent can help you to do such things. And if you have a look, the agent, you can see the trigger is the token price, and if the price is over than 700, you will swap it to USDT. Yeah. So that's all of our zero code IDE can do. Yeah. Here. Yeah. And more exciting things is that we can integrate some credit cards here. If you just need to buy some crypto things, like you want to purchase a meme coin here, you can use our Visa protocol. You can just pay by your credit card, and you can see the transactions is approved. Yeah. We just integrated some payment integrations, like Alchemy Pay, like Extra. Yeah. So you can see everything is done if you want to buy something by your credit card here. Yeah. And considering the degen trading here, we have supported the Solana and the Binance Chain and the Tron and the Apple. So I want everyone to show how to have a try on our platform. If you just have you use it, you may find it's very easy to create your own AI assets via our platform, and have a good journey. So that's all my demo video here. So maybe there are some QA process. Yeah, Tiana. Tiana, are you here? Sorry. Okay, if there's no more questions, I would leave this section, and maybe our next host is Revox. Yeah.
Sorry, I just lost my internet.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, so thank you, Masa, for the insightful sharing and demo. And I already saw the many products you have shared. It's all really excited. And also, I have one question for you. Not sure if you already answered it. Not yet, right?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're ready, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the question is how developer or community can contribute to TermiX DeFi protocol, and the DeFi here is DeFi plus AI.
Yeah. Thank you. Actually, we have open sourced our core code in our GitHub repo, and if you just search for DeFi protocol, you can see a detailed document describing how our OS work as plugins. So you can just contribute to our ecosystem, like Eliza OS. We just offering some plugin styles here, and all you need to do is just to tell AI how your smart contract is working, and our AI will eventually help you to translate your smart contract into something AI can realize and AI can execute later. Yeah. So just referring to our official GitHub repo. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for sharing. It's really exciting and interesting. And everyone, if you are interested, to check out TermiX on follow them on Twitter and for latest updates. Thank you, Masa, for joining us today.
Thank you, Tiara. Bye. Have a nice.
Okay, then let's move on to our second speaker. Is Troy, co-founder of Revox. Hi, Troy.
Hi, Yana. Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me today. Okay, today I'm going to show a quick demo of like how we can create an agent on Revox platform, especially actually Revox Studio. Let me just share my screen quickly. Okay. Gotcha. Like first of all, just go to studio.revox.ai, and you will just click on the top right bottom, click the create agent. And first of all, you will see all the agents that we have created by you. You can directly go to the personal space. You'll see I created some of the agents that tested by my own. And click create agent here. And this is basically the control panel that define the most important aspects of the agent, what it is, what it can do. And let me explain most important sections like very quickly, and I will show some real demos like how we can create on the fly. First of all, on the left part is a prompt. Prompt basically defines what an agent is. What's the personnel? Let's say if it's an avatar or it's a it's a virtual human. Like what's the personality is, what's the name, like what it can do, how do you want to set the tone and speak to the users? Like this defines in the prompt section. And on the middle part as well, the things get more interesting is the plugin section. For the plugin sections, actually add the actual functionalities to the agent that it can do. The Revox is now we're building a DeFi connection with AI. So we have add most of the DeFi protocols in the BNB ecosystem and add them into the studios, add them as a plugin. So basically, let's say if we have the MetaMask connector as a plugin added, it will make this agent able to directly connect with MetaMask. If we have the Pancake connector added into the agent, and the agents have the function to directly call Pancake transactions directly for the user. And you want to bridge, you can use the Alto connectors, and you want to perpetual trading, you can use the Kilo Exchange connector. And of course, sometimes the agent or the big LLM, big models on the backend does not know the fresh news, fresh information. You can add the Google search into that. And basically will get access to the most the search what the Google search could provide to you to this agent. So basically, this plugin pool is keep adding, and we are open the plugin ecosystem, allow the third-party developer to directly add their protocols and their smart contract as a plugin to the system. And later on, you will see more and more plugins and make basically the agent can do everything possible on chain. And after that, you can have the quick preview and talk with the agent. Every single type here on the page was saved instantly, and you can directly test everything on the preview section. And here it is. Okay, let me go to some examples I already created. So let's say if I want to create, let me go to a very simple example. Here, let's say where's the one? Yes, okay, let me give a quick this one is super easy. So let's say if you, I hope everyone can see my screen. It's kind of small for the font. There's a prompt. I just say you are a crypto expert. People are consulting crypto-related questions using search to find related information and give you an analysis to that. And for the plugins, I just add one, the Google search. And you can see on the right-hand side, the preview is actually, that's kind of a very simple agent. And let's test out what it can do. And let's just asking about the Trump token. Just give it 1 second. That's the AI to sync to process the question. I hope it didn't go wrong. Okay, cool. And you will first see a quick analysis that this agent first call Google search using the query Trump token and gets the first 5 results from that. And this is the agent's answer to the question, like what Trump token it is. So yes, using this tool, basically you can think about anything that you have questions about a token, a meme, you want to understand what the token is. Sometimes what you do is like a search on Google, and you have to do an analysis and read the result one by yourself. Now you can use this agent to help you. Yeah, you can directly find the related the search queries and send it to Google search and give you a summary and answer directly to your questions. So within a simple, like a few words type here, you can create an agent with Revox directly to perform such complex thing. Okay, now let's go to a kind of a more complicated example here. Okay, now let's see if we want to build a Trump avatar, a virtual Trump, that the agent will act as Donald Trump, and he is super bullish on Bitcoin. And not only on that, he can actually help people directly buy Bitcoin on chain. How this agent can do? Like, first of all, you have to specify the agent's prompt here. You will act as Donald Trump, bullish on Bitcoin, blah blah blah, and tell the agent what kind of tools you have. You access to Google search, and make search first if you need recent information. And of course, on the plugin side, I add the Revox Basics, which handles kind of all like the details of the wallet connection and something like that. And I add the Pancake connector, which is the secret, which is the most important plugin here, because it allows the agent to directly submit transactions on Pancake. So you can directly get on-chain BTCs than using a prompt. And okay, now let's see what this Trump can do for me. But first of all, let's ask the agent. And I think like a few days ago, Trump just have his inauguration speech. Let's just ask agents to give a summary of your most recent inauguration speech. Okay. You see that? First of all, the agent calls Google search using the search queries here. And this is the results. And give a summary about what's these key messages that sent by Trump. Let me just ask him, does it relate, is there anything related to crypto? You see that actually from the top results, it doesn't mention too much about the crypto, which is true. And maybe that's the reason like why the Trump token doesn't like goes up as we expected. And because it did not mention too much in his inauguration speech. Okay, anyway, let's try to see if we help me to buy BTC on Pancake. Okay, now I can see that agent is using this like the crypto DeFi related plugins to process the request. And first to show me, hey, this is a wallet address I'm using and what we need to do. So it asked me to provide the amount of the BTC I want to purchase. And let me say, I want to swap 10 USDT for wrapped BTC. Okay. It should have this like, you see that like you can check now how much USDT I have in my wallet, and if I just continue talking with the agent, I go finally submit the transaction directly on chain. Okay, so this is basically what Revox can do now. Like first of all, anyone can create agents, and it can be a simple agents that can be a virtual being for anything you want. It can be a Trump, it can be any like the cartoon characters you want to do, and just like define what the agent will define what the agent is, and you can add extra plugins in here. And the plugin does including like Google search, also including some of the DeFi protocols that the BSC had provided to us. And a lot of more plugins coming the way, and we hope the agent can be more and more powerful in the future. Yes, I think this summarizes this quick demo of what we have today.
Thank you, Troy, for such an engaging demo. And this is really interesting. And I think it's really convenient for people to use, even just a newbie in the Web3 industry. They can really earn a lot here. And also good to see how Revox bridge DeFi and AI together. So I also got some question for you. So I would like to ask you, as Revox focus on DeFi integration with AI, how will you address the safety in the process?
Yes. So security and safety is the top concern that we have when we're using AI to process DeFi. Like, first of all, our agent will never store any secret keys of the user. What it does is it kind of understand what the request is and construct the transactions and directly submit the transaction to the user's wallet in the browser. So all the secret keys is stored in the user's browser. It will never sent to the agent. It will never sent to us. So this is the first one. The second one, the second things we need to consider for the agent is like if the AI can be wrong. Sometimes it can get the token address wrong. Sometimes can get usage information wrong. For example, I want to swap USDT to BTC, but sometimes the AI kind of make mistakes. They kind of doing it in an inverse way. So how we can avoid that is before the agent submit any transaction on chain, there will be a confirmation page, a confirmation UI components that show up in the dialog that users can check by themselves to make sure this is the transaction they actually want to do. And then the next thing is the plugin security. And for a lot of sensitive information, let's say the contract address and the keys to some of the API calls, these are kind of lived in the plugin system. So for right now, we have not opened the plugin yet. Most of the plugins handled directly by us with the very famous like DeFi builders in BNB ecosystem. And later on, we're going to open this plugin system to allow third-party developers for that. And we were doing basically, we will review all the plugin, basically review all the code submitted in the plugin to make sure the plugin will be safe for the users to use. Yes.
Thank you for sharing. Yeah, security is always a crucial topic in the Web3 industry. And I got a second question for you. It's about the future plan. What is Revox plan for the coming month? Any new products?
Yes, we are working actually on a more visual appealing avatar. I think this industry have seen too many like text-based avatar, like people like the agent and talking in edX, like and the agent talking to people's prompt, something like that. But we want to make it to the next level by allowing users to create a virtual, more like an avatar, visual appealing avatar. What we do, we have already achieved some demo already. And basically, if a user submit one photo of themselves, just a single one photo, and a very short, like a 10 seconds of their like the voice the voice recording file, we were able to create a virtual agent, a virtual avatar, will look directly like you and talks like you, and everyone can create that agent basically on chain for that. And you can also, for each avatar agent, it will be a meme coin. So basically, everyone can issue their own meme token, and this meme token is backed by a real avatar created by just as a symbol of yourself. So we think this is kind of a interesting combination of friend tech and virtuals. So this is something we're going to build in the future. Actually, we release pretty soon.
That's really interesting. Yeah, and looking forward to more updates from your team to share with our community in the near future. And thank you for joining us today. Any last anything you want to share with our community?
Yeah, thank you everyone. But thank you for having me today. Just stay tuned for our new product release. That we have put a lot of effort to that, and just stay tuned.
Thank you, Troy. Okay, then let's move on to our last speaker, John, BD head of MyShell. Hi, John.
Hi, Tiana and everyone. I'm John, the BD head of MyShell. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I think so. So welcome to the demo today and build your AI agent with us. Basically, we are building an AI consumer layer that connects AI agent creators, users, and investors. Now, there are more than 200,000 AI agents, 170,000 AI agent creators, and 5 million users on MyShell. All these AI agents you can see in this page are built by our creators. There are like meme image generation AI agents, like the Wise Monkey meme, and also the chimps, which are two lovely meme or IP on the BNB chain. And also, we have like AI image generation AI agents, like the movie face swap. You can just put your cell file or something and to combine it with the movie scenes. And also we have the like AI Pick Pro, which kind of like utility tool. You can upscale your image to like 8K or 4K to make it clear. And also you can design your icon based on the prompt. So it's like text to image. And also we have some interesting filters like this Jinx Archon filter. By the way, the Archon filter AI agent on our platform hit the Google search engine #1 in the past year. And finally, we have some like utility tools, for example, TutorMe, and some like Storyteller and Chatbot. Yeah. So you may have a question, how can these creators build such interesting and complicated AI agents, leveraging large language models, image generation, text-to-speech? So the answer is we provide all the like multi-modal abilities via versatile widgets in our widget center. For example, like image generation, we have like anime engine and stable diffusion, Flux. And we also have some multi-modal abilities like stable video diffusion and like audio. We have the music generation. Yeah, not to mention, we also have like these large language models like GPT-4o and Cloud and DeepSeek. Yeah. And finally, we have some like text-to-speech engines. Yeah, this is like, because we have the Melo TTS developed by the MIT team. So yeah, these are really like can mimic your voice maybe. Okay, so how to build an AI agent on MyShell? Let's get started from the easiest mode. So basically, after you click the button, create a bot, you will go to this page. And first you can upload the avatar of this AI agent and input the name of it and the description. And then you will see this screen, which is you need to select a mode to finish the rest of both settings. So basically we have 3 modes. The first is a classic mode, which is the simplest one. And we have the dev mode, which is, we also call it pro config mode. And finally, we have the shell agent mode. I'm gonna introduce these one by one. So in the classic mode, first, you need to give an intro message. For example, welcome to this AI agent, or glad to chat with you or something. And then you need to enter some prompt. Okay, so this is like the brain of your AI agent. So you need to define maybe some personalities or whatever you want AI agent to do. You just enter the prompt. And in this classic mode, you can also leverage the text-to-speech engines and also maybe integrate with Telegram or Twitter. Yeah. And finally, we have the knowledge base, which is the external brain of your bot. And maybe you can give some maybe URLs or some knowledge list so that the AI agent can learn from the knowledge base. That's it. That's the most simplest like mode in our on my shell. And next we have the proconfig mode. So this is a little bit complex. And I'm gonna introduce this mode with an example called Homeless with You. Homeless with You is an RPG AI agent integrated with various themes like casino, crypto, etc. And as you can see here, it's really interesting, have several modes. But first, you need to set some like basic settings of the AI agent, because in this proconfig mode or in this dev mode, you need to write the JSON code yourself. So maybe you need some basic knowledge of the like programming. In this basic structure, first you need to define the ID and then the initial state, which is intro. After that, you can just give some context. Maybe like in this AI agent, you can define some like color list or hair list, expression, and some prompt. You can regard this as the knowledge base. And then you need to set several states. In this AI agent, it has like, 53 states totally. The main states are like intro, choose action, input, auto reply, LLM, and image. And yeah, there are 9 substates under the main state. So after you click the choose action button, you will go to like, maybe you can choose comfort or fan shelter, look for work, visit casino or something. So yeah, this is the structure of this AI agent, and you will fill all these states with the widgets. For example, in this intro state, you need to first input your username and it will return a choose action button. And after you click the choose action button, here you will get the 9 states, like, as I said, comfort her or fan shelter or something. For example, in this comfort state, it uses the image generation engine via the AnimEngine XL 3.1. And in this model, you need to define all these configurations like widget ID and prompt, negative prompt, and the width and height of the image, and these like quality selector, seed, and something. So after you define all these settings, and it will generate image based on your configuration. Okay, that's the proconfig or the dev mode. So next, we're gonna introduce the shell agent mode. Yeah, this is better for like people who don't want to write code. Yeah. So I will use the MBTI Jellycat stickers as an example. So in this AI agent, you just click the Jellycat Me Now and select your MBTI type and click Run. Then the AI agent will generate a Jellycat image based on your MBTI type. Really interesting, right? So how to build such a complex AI agent? You can use Shell Agent. Shell Agent is the most powerful and modular agent framework open sourced by MyShell. It deeply integrates into MyShell's ecosystem, allowing developers to build powerful AI agents. You can download it from GitHub. The Shell Agent mode now supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but it requires a decent GPU to run on your own devices. So here, I deployed this Shell Agent on my computer, and let's go into the Jellycat. So just as the ProConfig one, there are several states in this AI agent. So first is the intro state, and you need to set the image. For example, choose your MBTI, get your Jellycat stickers. And this is an example. And finally, the button for user to click. And after user clicks button, it will turn to the next state, which will receive your MBTI type and then pass it to the Cloud Engine, and then pass it to the image generation, which is Config UI. And then finally, it will generate image using this task, and you will see the results. So in this Shell Agent mode, you can just drag and put it here. And we have the GPT Cloud Image Canvas and Twitter integration, all these, and Config UI, all these functions. So you will see here we have the app and workflow. App is the more general AI agent. So if you want to build an AI agent, you need to first maybe build some simple workflow, and you connect these workflows into one AI agent, just as the Jellycat one. Okay, so after you finish this AI agent in the Shell agent, you can export the JSON file and then upload it here. And after you publish this AI agent, you may choose to launch it on our App Store. So now you can see here are several AI agents, for example, like this fan angle. And if you just randomly click one, and you will enter this detail page, users can trade your AI agent after you launch it, buy or sell. And also, here's a chart of the price. And you can see some like maybe holders and the trading activities. Yeah, so this is a way we monetize the AI agent creators. Okay, and finally, the last message is we will publish the Launchpad function in the future. At that time, you can launch a token for your AI agent, just as pump a meme coin. So stay tuned, keep an eye on our social media accounts, and you will get the update. That's all.
Thank you, John, for sharing the features you shared are really impressive. And I see it's really easy to use and to create an AI agent on MyShell, no matter they are developers or not. And I have one question for you. It's about the profit, how the community and the creators can earn via their AI agents.
Okay, thank you for your question. So just as I shown before, an AI agent creator can launch his or her AI agent on our App Store. And after that, the users can trade the AI agent and like buy or sell the shares of it. So the AI agent developers can get profit from this. And also, I mentioned in the future, we will launch the Launchpad function. And at that time, AI agent creator can launch a token for the AI agent, just like pump a meme coin or something. Yeah, so that's another way, and we will publish this feature in the future. And also, for some like professional AI agent creators, they have the opportunity to collaborate with like IP brands. Just as I shown, we have some like meme coin, like the meme image generation, just like the Wise Monkey meme image generation AI agent, and also the Chimps one. So AI agent creators, through the collaboration with the brands maybe they will pay for building the AI agent, so that the AI agent creators can earn from like training the model and making the AI agent for the brands. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for the sharing, and can't wait to see the Launchpad from your team. And that's all for today's MA. And thank you, John, for joining us, and also other speakers for their valuable insights, and also to all the community who joined us. And stay tuned for more updates from BNBGen, and also to check out my show. And don't forget to follow our amazing projects who joined us today. Thank you. See you next time.
Thank you. See you guys.